to my channel. So if you noticed, I have a new hairstyle. Y'all, I decided to get Sisterlocks. The last time I made a video, I talked about possibly, well, I had micro locks in my hair and I had 2-strand twist my hair. My mom interlocked it for me, and after like a week and a half or maybe 2 weeks, I think I wore my hair like that, I'm not sure, I decided to do Sisterlocks. Part of the reason was I just wanted my hair to be professionally done. I wanted to make sure my sizing and things were correct, because I know I had some sizing issues when I did my 2-strand twist, just some bigger than others. And I thought about like the growth of my hair overall and how my locks would mature, and I just wanted it to be done right. So I have Sisterlocks. I decided to do Sisterlocks. I think I talked about in my last video why I kind of wanted to start a lock journey in general. So I honestly was just tired of my hair. So I've been a loose natural for a while now. Like, I think I've been natural since like 2015, I want to say, but I've big chopped twice within that time. And I'm just one of those people where I just never really learned what worked for my hair and how to take care of my hair by myself. So I kind of felt like the only way I could get my hair to grow is to be bound to go into the shop, because when I was taking care of my hair my own self, I was breaking it off, it wasn't really growing, and I was trying all the different products. I started just always keeping my hair in protective styles because I didn't really know how to take care of my hair. So I was keeping my hair in protective styles just to grow my hair, but then eventually you get tired of that. So I was wearing wigs. I've been wearing wigs for a long time. Last year I was doing, I want to say last year, a year before that, I was doing like a lot of full sew-ins, but they don't really last as long. If you do a full sew-in, once your hair starts growing in the front, your closure starts to slide. So it was kind of like I had to get my hair done once a month, and I was just over like the full sew-in phase. So I went back to wigs. I was getting the handmade wigs, where, you know, you order from somebody, they actually sew the wigs onto a cap, which they're so beautiful, I love. But y'all, the perimeter of my hair was just breaking, and I showed y'all in the last video, and you'll see a lot of my, I have like a ponytail. I'm gonna take it out eventually, but I don't know, I don't feel really comfortable right now with wearing my hair down, but I'll explain everything. So, but like I showed y'all in my last video, if you watched it, how my hair was like broken off in the back. I guess it was some sort of like friction with the wigs. My hair in the back seems to like is really soft. So my hair in the back and the perimeter of my hair, like my front, everything is a different texture from like, you know, towards the middle of my hair. So I don't know if that's the reason why it was breaking. That really bothered me, and I'm one of those people where I want my hair to be healthy. I want my hair to thrive. As a loose natural, I was never wearing my hair ever, so I just kind of felt like it's pointless. Like, I felt like I was bound to wigs. I would have my hair cornrowed and just wear my wigs, and that was it. I didn't really do much with my hair. I did have a point in my life where I would do the wash and goes and the twist outs and stuff, but I never really found anything that worked for me. And eventually I got tired of doing that because I felt like natural hair was just way more work than I wanted to put in, especially like my relaxed days. I just remember having relaxed hair, how just your wash days were quick and styling your hair was quick, and you could do everything in probably an hour versus an hour and a half, versus like being natural, how you would sometimes you could spend a whole day having a wash day and detangling, and I just didn't have the patience for all of that. So I decided that I wanted to do locks. I don't know, y'all, I think like locks started popping up on my Instagram, and then I just kind of like started doing my research and just found some people's hair that I just fell in love with, which I know that everybody's lock journey is different, so my hair is not going to look like the next person's. But so I have Sisterlocks. My mom and my sister have Sisterlocks as well. My mom got Sisterlocks like so many years ago. I want to say my mom started her Sisterlocks in like 2009 or 2010. She's had them for a while, and my sister has them, and now I have them. So my sister actually did my hair because she is, I gotta see if I'm saying this correctly, she is training to become a certified loctician, if that's the word. So she's in training basically, and I was the first person's hair that she did. Y'all, I think my sister went in business and went out of business with my hair because she discovered just how tedious and how much work she felt like it was. And it was kind of a learning experience for both of us because it was my first time getting Sisterlocks, and it was the first time she's done somebody's head. So luckily she started with family where I could be more understanding versus she doing a stranger's hair and it's her first time, and you know, them just being impatient or whatever. I have my impatient moments because I do want to say my experience with getting Sisterlocks, y'all, they take a long time. Like they take like you have to have patience, and that's the thing. I was like, I kind of feel like I'm too old to be sitting down getting a hairstyle for hours. So we did my hair in 2 weekends because, you know, we didn't really know the process, and there were only 2 days where we went like in the morning to the night with little breaks, and my sister got the most done. But like, I want to say it was a 2 weekend experience, but every day was not just do my hair all day, you know, every day. But so I don't know how you're supposed to like count the day. Like when people say they're locked on this day, I don't know if I should say the day where she actually started my hair, which would have been May 11th. That's the day where she started, you know, the Sisterlocks or whatever. But we didn't finish until the night, Sunday night, the 21st. Like I said, we just went on the weekends, and then last Sunday, which was Mother's Day, we didn't do my hair at all because it was Mother's Day. So I just kind of braided my hair back and put a wig on. So yeah. So the sitting for it, if you're thinking about getting Sisterlocks, I just say you have to have patience. But honestly, it's not too bad, but I'm just not used to, I haven't sat for a long time to get my hair done in forever. I'm gonna be showing y'all my journey on my locks. I did already wash my hair because it was tight and then because it was tight and it was loosening up a little, you know how your hair starts to itch. So I noticed like since I washed my hair like is not itching anymore. I'm not really like in pain, because when she was doing my hair, I was getting a headache. So that's the thing too. Like if you're thinking about getting Sisterlocks, you might want to like take some sort of pain medication prior or during if you feel yourself getting a headache just with them just going through the process of doing your hair. But ever since I washed my hair, it's not bothering me anymore. It's not like too tight or anything. But I did have like two around my edges come loose that my sister's gonna have to put back in, but that's normal. So yeah, y'all, I decided to do Sisterlocks, and Sisterlocks are very versatile. Like I could honestly, if I wanted to wear my wigs, I can braid my hair, my Sisterlocks back and do a wig. I feel like pretty much anything somebody can do as a loose natural, you can do with Sisterlocks. Twist outs, braid outs, wear your hair in a bun. You know, when I get some length, I just wear my hair in a bun. Wigs, you know what I'm saying? Only thing I can't really do is sew-ins. Maybe if I wanted a full sew-in, but like sewing with leave out I can't do or anything like that. But I could get braids, individual braids if I wanted. So I feel like with Sisterlocks you can pretty much like still do a lot of things that people who are loose naturals do. So I can't just say I'm too crazy about my hair and stuff right now, just because the ends of my hair, y'all, I kind of feel like it's giving me like wash and go tease. And I mean, like, I'll have to show y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my ponytail out, but like, see, the ends of my hair are just, I'm not too crazy about it. And then also you can kind of see how my my hair is still stiff meaning I don't know if y'all can tell because the lighting, but my hair is still stiff. So if I do a hairstyle and I take the hairstyle out, it's kind of just like it's kind of just there. But I was trying to get my hair back to how it looked like on the video, but I'll put the video up that I was talking about, and it's just I can't get my hair to look the same 2 days in a row. So y'all can see my hair is full to where like it doesn't look, you can't really see my scalp or anything like that. Is my head in here? Yeah, you can't really see my scalp or anything like that. Only thing I'm not too crazy about, honestly, is the ends of my hair, and my hair kind of like being stiff to where if I do something to my hair, then if I do a style and take it out, my hair is just not gonna just like fall. Like, and I know the stiffness of my hair, that will eventually they'll be flowing and stuff like that. But yeah, so your girl is locked, and I do know this is a permanent hairstyle. So if I decide that I do not want this hairstyle anymore, I can comb them out, which will probably take a very long time, but it's doable. I can comb them out, or I can big chop again and start all over again. Yeah, even when I had the 2-strand twist and I washed my hair and I didn't have to worry about all the detangling and stuff like that, I just could not see myself going back to being a loose natural. Like right now, I can't see myself doing it. Like I said, if I want to wear my wigs or anything like that, I can still wear my wigs. I'm just excited about being just seeing my hair transition and how it's gonna look or whatever. So yeah, y'all will be seeing my hair with me. Y'all be seeing my hair with me. Y'all will be seeing how it grows and all of that. But I don't know if it just comes with getting older. I'm just tired. I was tired of hair. I want to be able to, let's just say that I decide to pop on a wig and then take my wig off, my hair is done. I don't think I'm gonna change my hair anytime soon. Like I said, this is permanent. This is a permanent hairstyle, but you know, there are some alternatives if you decide that you don't want this style anymore. Y'all, I really hope that you guys enjoy. Let me know some content that y'all want to see on my channel. I am gonna try to get back active and get back into YouTube and stuff like that, because I just had to take a little mental break from here. But I talked about it in my last video. If you haven't seen, I just went into a whole breakdown of why I kind of disappeared for like the past month and a half or so. But yeah, y'all, I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you're thinking about starting a lock journey, getting sister locks, getting traditional locks, getting micro locks, anything, y'all, just let this be your sign to go ahead and do it. Yeah, I didn't talk about also my 2-strand twist. So they were interlocked at the root, and I decided to take them out. It took me 2 days to take them out. It was not that bad, so I forgot to add that in. Yeah, it took me 2 days to take them out. So, and I did have one that I forgot. When my sister was doing my hair, I had one like 2-strand twist interlock in like the back of my head. It was funny. But anyway, y'all, I really hope that you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.